Today, I'm sharing an easy and affordable viral Pinoy brightening mix that help your skin look fresh, radiant, and glowing without spending a lot.
Start with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Add 1 tablespoon of perla soap o grated perla soap. Then 1 tablespoon of milk. Finish with 1 teaspoon of glycerin oil. Mix everything well until smooth. Your glow boosting blend is ready. This DIY blend of cornstarch, milk, perla soap, and glycerin is a go to the skincare for achieving a radiant glow. Cornstarch helps smooth the skin, while milk gently brightens and softens. Perla soap works to cleanse and remove impurities, and glycerin lock in moisture for a long-lasting hydration. Together they cleanse, exfoliate, and hydrate, leaving your skin feeling softer, smoother, and more refreshed. Use it consistently and enjoy that affordable glow up at home.